Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to fix the no connected camera issue on MacBook. So first of all, press Command plus space on your keyboard to open Spotlight Search, and here in the search bar, type Photo Booth and click on it to open. Once it's open, check if the camera is working. If the camera works here, then the issue is likely related to the specific app you were trying to use before, such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or a web browser. In that case, let's check the camera permissions. From the top left corner, click on the Apple menu, and from this menu, open System Settings. Once the Settings panel opens, from the left side, find and open Privacy and Security. Now scroll down on the right side and open the camera option. Here, make sure the toggle next to the app is turned on. If the toggle next to the app is turned off, simply turn it on. If the issue is still there, let's check your MacBook camera hardware. Press and hold the Option key on your keyboard. While holding it, click on the Apple menu from the top left corner. Now select System Information. A new window will open on your screen. From the left sidebar, find Camera and click on it. If you see FaceTime HD Camera listed there, that means your camera hardware is working properly, and the issue is most likely software related. But if it says no video capture devices were found, then it may indicate a hardware connection issue. In that case, restarting your MacBook in safe mode can help. Click on the Apple menu again, and from here, click on Restart. After restarting in safe mode, test the camera again and check if the issue is resolved. And that's it. This is how you can fix the no connected camera issue on MacBook. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.